Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Alternative investment company Cygnus Credit successfully closed the largest public perpetual preference share raise on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The company received 1,156 orders that amounted to 1.71 billion Jamaican dollars and US 22.05 million, respectively, for the perpetual offer, which has no maturity date, allowing for long-term capital placement. The offer had two classes of preference shares, both of which were oversubscribed. Class H JMD preference share yielded 10% and was oversubscribed by 43%, while the Class 1 US dollar preference shares yielded 8% was oversubscribed by approximately 10%. Cygnus offers credit to various industries, including manufacturing, distribution, financial services, energy, industrial, construction, transportation, infrastructure, and business services. Gloria Henry, a former president of the Global Services Industry Association, has pointed to a slowdown in the rate of growth in the BPO sector. Speaking to RJR News, she points to the challenges involved in getting the quality of employees needed to serve certain accounts. She says, however, that the Ministries of Industry, Investment and Commerce and Education and Youth are aware of the problem and have reactivated the Global Services Skills Council. The Bank of Jamaica intervened in the foreign exchange market with another US $40 million on Monday morning. The move followed its US $40 million intervention last Friday, which was significantly below the market demand for US $85 million. The central bank instructed authorized dealers to sell the money to end users at no more than J20 cents above the buying rate. The minimum bid size, or the minimum amount which could be applied for, was US $100,000. For the trading period ended January 20, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, with 1,367,300 units traded, represented 12.54% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited, with 1,300,361 units traded, represented 11.92% of market sales volume. Advertising agency and real estate holding firm Kentire Holdings JA Limited, with 1,175,826 units traded, amounted to 10.78% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On January 20, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $77.14 million was purchased and US $88.48 million was sold by Forex traders. Traders earned 96 cents per dollar in profit, selling the US at $156.99 and buying the US at $156.03. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.85 per transactions, with selling at $109.69 and buying at $107.84. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.18 in profits, with selling at $192.32 and buying at $191.14. For our credit report tip of the day, starting a business after unemployment and debt feels like climbing a mountain with a boulder strapped to your back. But here's the truth. You've got what it takes to turn your situation into a success story. Here's a roadmap to help you get started. Present yourself like a professional. Use a professional business address, email, and phone number. Perception is power. Show lenders you mean business. Also, use a business credit card. Start small and use it wisely. Pay it off. This builds your business credit profile step by step. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step towards your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.